have shown the courage which is not just a spelling, but today I would like to elaborate into an acronym. The C of the courage is the conviction that I learned from all the young ones, with all the odds, with all the grit that they have really made it to unleash the potential and bring their thoughts to the books. The O is for the openness. Gone are the days where largely India was being considered traditionally where certain section of the society was allowed to do certain work. You are not supposed to, unlike majorly when you talk about the girl child education, which still India runs a campaign where you need to educate girl child, but this openness of thought, I saw various topics which these young authors have encrypted. They really have pulled down the thoughts which would again give the new birth for each and every people to think about what's happening in this world. The U is for the unyielding spirit. The spirit of each and every young ones, which is encrypted, really to see that all of our minds are also ignited. The R is for the resilience that they have shown. We know that what odds are there with fighting through all the odds. They would have failed. Many people would have criticized them. Many people would have also told, saying, hey, look, this is not something that you should do it now. Why are you expressing your thoughts? But the resilience that these kids have shown, that is something that we all can learn. The A, the biggest alphabet, is the authenticity. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in this world where we know that we have come to a saturation. But if you really read the books, the young ones also, with very naive thought that they have come up. And Ami knows about it, that each and every topic that we have seen, the authenticity that each and every kid has brought in fact, we have got calls from the movie makers and from the production houses that they would like to use the authentic idea. Otherwise, we are all in the remix age. Yeah? Everything, right from your music till your movies, everything which is on the remix. But you see this A which is the authenticity. The G which stands for the generosity that each and every kid has flown in their writing. There is no, all what we talk about in education as of now, which is about the diversity, inclusion and equity, you will see this, that's already, they are generous enough to have an equal society and trying to bring their thoughts in their books. And the E, the biggest one, is the empowerment. Bree Books has given that empowerment. While in education world, we wanted to build the pressure of public opinion to make education is the #1 item on national agenda. You are the kids who are empowering the dream of India. So let's celebrate the courage over here, where each and every kid who has shown the resilience, the authenticity, and they are not only empowering the country, but they are empowering future of us. So congratulations to everyone who are here, and thank you Bree Books for giving them this platform. Thank you very much.